I think that the technology of Sennebogen fits very well to the idea, to the expectation of the customers here in India. And I think together our technology and the drive in India to go further, to make more recycling, to have better steel production, and fits very well together.
Hello all, welcome to B2B Purchase Procurement Talk Show. We have Mr. Erich Sennebogen, President of Sennebogen Group. Sir, thank you so much for inviting the B2B Purchase.
It's my pleasure.
Can you talk a little more about the kind of solutions that you want to promote here?
And we are here since 2010 with our partner Forsen here, and we are here with material handling machines for steel mill, for ports, for logging industry, for recycling industry, and we have a wide range of products starting from 17 tons of weight up to 420 tons in weight in all configurations, in diesel, in electric, in battery electric. So we really can offer the customer a very dedicated, specific solution for their material handling problems.
When you look at today's political economic situation, especially in European Union, how do you see Indian economy as a promising prospects for you in terms of business?
Sennebogen is a manufacturer placed in Germany, in Bavaria. We are southeast in Germany. We have 5 factories in that region. We are developing our machines, we are designing our machines, and we are producing our machines all in Germany up to now. We are doing steel structure in Hungary. We have company in Asia, in Malaysia. We have our own company in America, where we are doing Canada to South America. And we are not active in China. That is some attitude from Sennebogen. But we are looking very carefully to India. We think that India is, from the mentality, very close to the Europeans. And we are here since 2010 with our friends, service and sales partners for Senia. And we are building up the market here. They are doing a fantastic job, especially advising the customers, bringing the technology, but also supporting the customers via excellent service.
And 15 years in Indian market definitely must have taught you a lot of lessons. Can you share what are your key takeaways in the last 15 years doing business with Indian customers?
End of the day, it's bringing the technology to the customers, convincing them that a professional material handling machine is a different story than handling material with an excavator or handling material with rope cranes or with old technology. I think today we can offer extremely professional technology, and as I said, it's diesel, it's electric, grid electric, battery electric, and we have today very efficient systems like our hybrid system, which is an energy recovery system and is saving around 35% of the energy you have to put in. That's a system which we have since 15 years very successfully, and it's very simple, it's maintenance free, and it gives a huge advantage to the customer.
Especially manufacturing facilities in India got used to the unconventional style of material handling solutions. And when you talk about kind of solutions which are sustainable as well as technologically advanced, how do you see the adoption of these technologies in India?
So basically, our focus is, let's say, on the steel mill industry, on the steel manufacturers, on the ports and harbors, where you need highly reliable machines, where you have to work 24/7. We have a lot of experience in that. We can show references on that. And that is one thing is the technology. The other thing is, of course, the quality of the machines. But the third one is the after-sales service. And all in combination gives a very benefit to the customer, where they can make their, let's say, their job, their exercise very, very good.
What are the new launches you have here in EXCON for Indian market?
We had the bauma in Munich in early this year. We showed 8 new machines, 8 new technologies, including our Sennebogen Centrac system, the tracking system. We showed the 𝒂𝒐ON 3, which is a new platform for controlling the machine, but also for preventive maintenance and observing the machines. And this technology we're also bringing to the Indian market.
Especially when you talk about green ports or even in steel industry, people are really concerned about the ESG standards as well as the green aspect of manufacturing, sustainability goals. And you have variety of products and ranging, talking from conventional fuel to hybrid to electric. What do you suggest? How should they adopt sustainability methods or standards to fulfill their goals?
So basically, every machine from Sennebogen line you can have in diesel, you can have in electric. So we are promoting electric machines since more than 35 years. If we say the total cost of ownership of diesel is 100, then the total cost of ownership with an electric machine, electric grid machine, is around 50%. So wherever it's possible, we promote, but we also demonstrate the customer the benefits of this version. Additionally, with our energy recovery system, it's the best solution for the customer and the best for the environment, but also the best in TCO.
When it comes to procurement of new machines in India, of course, we have the work. Cost is one of the primary factors what they consider.
Yeah.
And they tend to overlook many other aspects of procurement. Can you share a few examples there our procurement leaders can elevate their performance by procuring such things?
Yeah. So basically, the customer has to be open for new technologies. Second, they have to choose, in my opinion, a proven worldwide brand, which is green. The second is a good quality, of course. The third is a good after-sales service, very, very important. And the last one is look at references. So go out into the markets. We can show references in steel mills around the world. We can show references, small machines, big machines in ports. They can talk to the customers. And the best is to share experience, to share long time operation experience. And that then gives to the procurement people the safety to decide the right machine for their operation.
And India as a country which is getting evolved into a developed state of country, we have huge demand for base recycling. And today's scenario, most of the base recycling facilities we have, other than the metro cities, are not up to the standard, and we are dealing with.
Yeah.
And do you have any solutions that you can offer for this waste handling industry?
So the waste handling is one of our focuses. Germany, Europe, they are doing a lot in waste. Even in America, they are starting now more and more in waste handling. And what they did before is they used only standard wheel loaders, standard excavators. Now they are seeing more and more that professional material handling machines with a high cap, with looking into containers, with the overview, with a longer reach, they have much more benefit than with a standard machine. The lifetime is double and triple as long. And that is the difference. And we have also our multi-line, our telescopic loader, also with a high cap, also in a high quality performance version. So we really can offer a wide range with the sorting grapple and with everything to the recycling industry especially.
Talking about technology, German technology, India have huge admiration for German technology.
And 15 years alliance, who has your business partner for last 15 years. What is special you see in this relationship?
So I really must say I'm very surprised about the technology-driven aspect here in the country. Even if I look to the many electric cars, trucks, and what I see here in the EXCON, it fascinates me. And we are looking around here also with our purchasing people because we are eager to find good suppliers also for Sennebogen. And I think that the technology of Sennebogen fits very well to the idea, to the expectation of the customers here in India. And I think together our technology and the drive in India to go further, to make more recycling, to have better steel production, and fits very well together.
What are your plans to expand Indian interest? We have any intent to set up a manufacturing facility in India to expand your investment portfolio in India?
Yeah. So basically, as I said, we are only producing up to now in Bavaria. But India for us is an absolutely focus in also future production. So we are very happy. We have, since this year, we have Sennebogen Machinery Limited in India, and we have our own company here. We have, in the meantime, we have a big piece of land, which is very important, you know. And now we are starting to with supporting our dealer with office, with a warehouse, with training center, very important. So we want to train our customers, mechanics, to our machines to increase the service level. And we have absolutely in focus to build up a production here in India. And we are very, very eager to do that. And we are very proud that we are now having a company here in India.
We are, looking forward to come and visit the facility.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable inputs with B2B Purchase.